Okay.
Alright then, on to question 8 part C. You're given this diagram here, and we know this configuration with capacitor and resistor in series in the feedback to the other resistor is a bass boost filter. So the first question is calculate the break frequency of the filter. In the formula sheet we're given FB, which is break frequency, is 1 over 2 pi RC. Alright? RC. We know what the capacitor is. You might be asking, well, we've got two resistors, which one do we use? We always use the one which is in the closest to the capacitor, you could say, alright? So in series with the capacitor. So we go that FB, break frequency, is equal to 1 over 2 pi times resistance value. We're going for this one, 75 times 10 to the 3. Capacitor value is 16 nanofarads. Nano is to the minus 9. Alright, so we plug that into our calculator. We get break frequency to be 133 Hertz. Alright, that's the first part there. Next part, it says calculate the voltage gain of the filter at frequencies well above the break frequency. We know the gain of an op-amp, this is non-inverting, is going to be minus gain is going to be RF over Rn. Alright, I think we can assume we don't worry about the negative sign on this one. Alright, RF, this is our feedback resistor, which is 75 kiloohms. 75 times 10 to the 3 over Rn, which is our 15 kiloohms. 15 times 10 to the 3, which gives us a gain of 5. Last part of the question involves this graph. It says sketch the frequency response for the filter. Alright, so the two things we now know about it, it's got a break frequency of 133 Hertz, and it's got a gain of 5 Hertz at frequencies well above the break frequency. Alright, these graphs are normally worth 3 marks. The first mark will be for showing your break frequency. We know 133 Hertz, 133. The second bit is going to be a gain of 5. Alright, so there's our gain of 5. And then we need to, the last mark will be for getting the right shape of the curve. And we know, because this is a bass boost filter, the shape goes like this. Okay, so that's your final mark.